And the last way for you to make her wife material, don't make threats, make promises. What does that mean? In order for someone to respect you, there has to be a level of fear. So if she does anything that you don't like, she disrespects you, tests your authority, challenges you, does something that really just annoys the fuck out of you, tell her what will happen if that act is repeated. And then if she does it again, enact the consequences. Sometimes, I know this might sound crazy, but sometimes you have to break up with her for her to realize how stupid she is. Sometimes you have to end the relationship for her to realize, that was dumb. I should not have done that. Please take me back. If you don't learn, you must feel. That's the law of the jungle. I don't know what to tell you.